Flow rates are stable at 95 gallons per minute. Check the vacuum seals on manifold 3, everything's secure. Temperatures are stable. Initiating transfer to processing line 2. Verified.
Sample A taken from tank 7.
Preparing analysis.
Results are positive. Batch released.
The flow rate is stabilizing. Batch volume is accurate and recorded.
The pressure is steady and the milk is flowing well.
Good. Let's maintain this rate for the next hour.
Rotational speed is holding steady at 6,500 RPM. Parameters are within specifications.
Flow rates are stable.
Affirmative. Cream composition is within specs. The skim inlet has stabilized, increasing cream slightly to compensate. Data trending towards target.
The temperature is increasing precisely as planned. Holding pressure stable. Good. The temperature is holding steady, exactly as designed.
Excellent. That confirms the cycle is complete.
We can proceed to cooling now.
Temperature is dropping rapidly. System parameters look stable. We are ready for the next stage.
The biggest transformation is about to begin. Evaporation will remove most of the milk's water.
Set pressure to 65 kilopascals, temperature at 75 Celsius. Verified. Adjusting flow rate for optimal concentration.
Levels stabilizing. Vacuum holding steady.
The concentration is increasing on stage 3. Check the pressure on 5. Monitoring stage 1's flow. The pressure is steady. The homogenization is proceeding as planned. Confirmed. The flow rate is optimized.
Temperatures are rising. Looks good. Let's confirm. Confirmation sent. The temperature is holding steady.
Perfect. We have a consistent spray pattern.
Initiating phase 2.
The humidity is perfect.
Maintaining optimal particle size.
The sieving system is operating at peak efficiency.
Everything looks good on this side. The texture is uniform.
We have a consistent flow through the line. See the reading here. Confirmed on the tablet. Everything is stable.
The temperature is stabilizing at 72 degrees. Moisture content looks to be right where we need it. Temperature is looking good. Perfect. We can move it to the next phase now.
Sample loaded. Moisture content initiated.
Verifying particle size on screen.
Acceptable parameters verified. Batch approved.
The transfer is steady, nearing capacity. Excellent. Maintain flow rate. Status green on all silos.
The data indicates optimal moisture and solubility. Batch 8A742 is approved.
Line 3. Cartons are moving quickly.
Copies verified, accelerating to palletizing.
Palletizer Alpha is operating at full capacity.
Confirmed. Row B is ready for wrapping.
Line 3. Cartons are moving quickly.
Copies verified, accelerating to palletizing.
Palletizer Alpha is operating at full capacity.
Confirmed. Row B is ready for wrapping.